Hello, to create a report based on non-existent user data, go to the My Environment service. Click on the Create button in the Report menu and enter the name of the table. For example, List of Employees. Then confirm. As the report is empty, you can drag and drop an Excel file from your computer to use it in the report. Once the file has been dragged onto the screen, the Suadeo SDS platform automatically saves the file and creates the data source. All you have to do is select the desired tables and columns for the user data to be created upon saving. First, we will connect the entire report to the new data source automatically created by the Suadeo platform. From then on, it is possible to compose your report in just a few clicks. In our example, we will create a grid containing the list of employees. We will then select the different data columns that will be used to populate our grid. Here, we will display the columns for last name, first name, position, and hire date for each employee. Next, we will create the grid header row with the title of each column to be displayed in a dedicated group header. We therefore need to add a grid with 5 columns and enter the different column names. To maintain consistency with the detail grid, the header and detail columns are aligned with each other. We modify the text in each cell using a double click to include the column name, in this case, last name, first name, position, and hire date. If necessary, you can add a footer with the page number. Other options are available, such as the current date or the total number of pages. It is also possible to add another group header to indicate a section title with a label component. As with all report components, the appearance of the text can be extensively modified and customized. Here, for example, we change the font size, add underlining, and modify the text alignment. It is important to ensure that the report layout meets your needs, so it is recommended that you use the preview function regularly. Once the various elements have been created, you can save the report to view or edit it later. Thank you for watching this video.